Hi, I'm Mark Thorburn and welcome to Tuts Plus Introduction to Sony Vegas Pro. There are many non-linear editing systems and there are a select number of industry standards that are favoured and used the world over. In this course we're going to look at Sony Vegas Pro. Now in its 13th incarnation, Sony Vegas is rapidly catching up to the more established editors. The software runs on Windows and has found particular favour with those new to professional editing systems. Sony have been around a long time and they are a well-established name in the consumer and professional market, so it makes perfect sense that they would create editing software. It's reasonably safe to say that anybody who's used a non-linear editor before will be able to pick up and use Sony Vegas Pro without too much trouble. During this course, we're going to introduce you to the principal editing techniques and demonstrate how powerful and user-friendly the system is. It's much more fun if we have a project to work through, so I've created this from footage we recently shot while in Prague in the Czech Republic. It's a short taste of the city from our holiday camcorder, but putting it together will help to demonstrate the principles of editing using Sony Vegas Pro. In the next lesson, we'll make a start and show you the layout of the software and how you go about importing and editing your footage. I'm Mark Thorburn. Thanks for watching.